All right, welcome. Today, Gigi and I are going to put together some Valentine cards for her class. So I came up with a super simple design, making some 4.25 by 4.25 cards with a bit of pattern paper and then a heart punch, and using some paste and some Dollarama stickers, and we thought we would take you guys along. Okay, let's put it together. So we were just cutting the paper, and I thought, why not record this? The paper is from Echo Park. It's from Our Story Matters. They had some really cute heart paper on there. So I thought I would use, or in there, I thought I would use that. So we cut that down to 4 by 4 squares. And Miss Gigi is going to cut our last 2 pieces. We needed actually 29 cards, and that only made 27. So I'm cutting down. We're going to cut down 2 more. Gigi, did you want to do with that one? Okay, let's line it up. So we're going to line it up to the 4, and she's going to do the cutting on this one.
Ready?
Yep. So she's allowed to use the paper cutter when I'm here. And it's just the sliding one. Okay, and then we're going to cut right here.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, so there's some pieces.
We can make a tiny card out of that one.
Yeah, you probably could. Let's do another one. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. And okay. All right. So we are going to we've got all our pieces cut. Now I think we should work on the punch. What do you think? Yes. Oh, Gigi used the watermelon sour from Vicki Booten, and she covered this mixed media paper. It's a 9 by 12, and just let it dry so that we could punch out the hearts. And she was going to do some punching, right? All right, you go ahead and get started on that.
Do we have to
unlock it? So we just push like this, and it opens.
That makes sense.
Yep. And so we'll try to use this. Try to do it kind of close to the edge, so we use as much of that as possible, right? So I'm gonna do. Can I do one?
Yeah.
And then, so we're gonna do a whole bunch. Okay. Try to just make them close to each other, and you can see it. See how you can see that? Okay. In 2 kinds of paper, and now I'm just burnishing the card bases. And to get this size card base, all I did was I scored a piece of, here, I'm just gonna move this over a bit. I scored a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, just standard cardstock size. Letter size, and I scored it at 4 1/4, and then I cut it down to 8.5 by 8.5, and cut those in half. So it's just slightly smaller than a standard card, an A2 card. And I did that because I wanted to square panels and get a little bit more from my 12 by 12 paper. And that way I would have enough paper for the whole class. So I'm just gonna finish doing this. And another reason I'm doing this is this way when I grab the card to glue this on, because that's what, ultimately this is what we are making. And once I grab the card, and we're going to make them in this direction or this direction, but I don't want them to end up upside down, and this will help avoid that, especially because we're making a lot. Okay, so burnish them all, and now I'm just going to glue all of the bases onto the cardstock. So we have 3 to choose from, or actually 4 to choose from, and I'm just going to get them all glued down. So now we are going to just put these together, glue the heart onto the card front. We've already glued down the 4x4 pattern paper. Then we choose a little character from our sticker sheet. And this makes just really easy, quick cards that your kiddos can definitely help you put together. So I've done a couple already, but I have to wait for Gigi to do the rest because she will be upset if I do everything. So I'll do a few more just to get them ready. All right. Okay. All right, so we'll just put a little like this. There. A little thing. And then stick it on.
Okay. That's one done.
Okay.
Koala.
Nice. Okay. All right, so we have finished our cards. Let's take a look. Why don't we pull out some of them and show? Do you want to pull some out? And just put them out like this so they can see our finished cards.
Okay.
Go ahead. We made 30. And they turned out really cute. And they didn't take too long. Yeah, I thought you did a great job. Did you have fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Okay. Thank you for joining us.